I'm coming.
1,185,000.
Yes.
68 naira 50 and 5 kobo. 68 naira and 5 kobo.
Yes.
By installment, my lord.
Just a moment.
Yes, sir.
6th October 2021.
Yes, sir.
I can see some previous motions. I see that you filed ex parte motion.
Yes, my lord, that is for the garnishee.
Okay.
Yes,
Have
my
you
lord.
taken that motion? Have we taken that motion?
No, my lord, we have not.
You are going to withdraw it, right?
Yes, my lord, maybe after he has moved his motion, we are not opposing to his motion.
Okay.
To pay the judgment sum by installment, we are not opposing. However,
Yes,
we
you want to pay
have
by
some remark to make after he must have moved the motion, sir.
Yes. Yes, so you want to pay by how many months installment of how much per month?
My lord, now we buy 3 installments, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 monthly installments.
Yes, sir. 400,000 naira a month.
Yep.
Beginning, my lord, from August 20. Beginning from August
400,000 naira per month.
Per month, 400,000 per month.
Will it do that will be okay. Yeah.
Beginning from
around 1.2.
Yes, my lord. Beginning from the end
of the accrued interest, isn't it?
My lord,
Commencing from
my lord, sir.
Commencing from when?
Commencing from the end of August 2022, my lord.
Why end of August? Why end of August?
We have already 20 cases in which we are paying instrumental judgment debt in respect of, sir. So we are therefore, we urge your lordship to take a judicial notice of that, and so that we want to make a promise. We don't want to make a promise that may not be held, sir. So we seek the urgency of the Honorable Court, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that you move in terms.
I move in terms, sir.
Rashidat.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we are not opposing the motion. However, because what is even moving is not before the court, sir. The motion that I have here is praying for an order to pay 150,000 in
Yes. What happened like we did the last time? He is adjusting. He is adjusting on his own. He is now adjusting the prayers.
Okay, my lord, because if we are
the motion
if they are
is saying 150, but he is now adjusting the 150 to 400.
Okay, my lord, sir, but because if they had been paying since the end of March that they are stated in their motion, they ought to have even liquidated all this sum by now. But they have not been faithful. That's why we are still where we are today, sir. So, however, sir, I will be humbly praying the court, sir.
Yes.
So for the judgment sum to be paid in 2 installments together with the interest, sir. Together with the interest that has accrued on the judgment sum since the judgment has been delivered. The judgment was delivered since 27th January 2021.
Okay, thank you.
For 2 installments, payments of the judgment sum together with accrued interest to be made in 2 installments, sir.
To be setting some.
The application is granted as spread in terms of 400,000 naira per month, beginning from end of August 2022 till liquidated together with accrued interest.
As a corporate, we are very grateful, my lord.
My
Failure
lord,
to pay
I
any
didn't get that,
installment,
sir.
the outstanding sum shall be due for execution.
As a corporate,
Rashidat.
No, I didn't get that, sir. I didn't get the ruling, sir.
400,000 naira per month, beginning from August ending till liquidated together with accrued interest.
As a corporate,
Failure to pay any installment, the judgment sum remaining shall be liable to execution.
as the
You get it
corporate,
now?
As the corpses.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, my lord, we will also be praying the court to withdraw our counter affidavit because it has been, event has overtaken it, sir. The counter affidavit
It is your motion for this thing that you need to withdraw.
as the corporate is the garnishi
Motion, your own motion.
as the court point.
My lord, I don't think we can withdraw that at this stage. We want to see whether they will also, be faithful to implement the ruling of the court before we withdraw that, sir. We still want to put it to the court, sir.
Then that is all for now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Call the next matter.
Yes, sir.
Motion for counter affidavit.
Counter affidavit and motion to regularize him. Withdraw.
Okay, this one is AK 46 2020. Ajibade Adefemi Olatayo. Appearances.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
AK-46, sir. Same appearance for the judgment creditor, sir.
So I should write same appearance for judgment creditor.
Sorry, sir.
This is a different file.
That's accurate, sir. Sir. Sorry, sir.
Thank you.
My own appearance is for the judgment creditor, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Respectfully, my lord,
Prof.
I appear for the judgment debtors applicants. I'm Professor O.J. Gegelola.
Yes.
My lord, there's an application in this case which is dated the 6th day of October. It's dated the 5th day of October 2021 on file on the same day.
Praying
the Honorable Court to grant leave for the defendant judgment debtors applicants may not to pay the judgment debt sum of 2,000,000. Pay the judgment debt sum of 2,152,970 naira 32 kobo. 2,152,970 naira 32 kobo.
By 13 installments.
No, my lord, by 5
No,
installments.
let's have what is on the motion first before we have how you are correcting it.
As the court pleases. By 13 installments
of
180,000 naira.
80,000. So that we don't have a situation where Rashidat will say the motion you have moved is not before the court.
As the
because
court
he has
pleases.
to
As the court pleases.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But we now ask to pay.
But we now ask my lord to pay 500,000 naira by 5 installments until the total debt is fully liquidated with interest.
Okay.
I so move, my lord.
Rashidat.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. So you understand the picture now. The motion is actually for 13 installmental payments of 180,000. Now he wants to pay 5 installments of 500,000. That will give us like 2.5, isn't it?
Yes, 2.5.
Okay, that is to say you have taken into consideration.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Rashidat, let me have you on record.
Okay, my lord, sir. We are not opposing the motion, sir. However, sir.
Yeah.
We want to humbly pray the court to order that the judgment sum should be paid in 3 installments together with the interest instead of 5 installments as proposed by the judgment debtor, sir.
Prof.
In 3 installments.
My lord.
You didn't say when you are commencing.
Huh? From the end of August, my lord. From the end of August 2022.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
You want 3 installments, Rashida?
3 installments. Yes, sir.
Okay.
The judgment sum together with the interest to be paid in 3 installments, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
This one. You give me that first file, the record. The application for instrumental payment is granted in terms of 750,000 naira for the months of August and September 2022, and 500,000 naira subsequently till liquidated with interest. And failure to pay any month shall render the outstanding sum liable to execution.
and the corpses.
The places. Thank you, my lord.
Allow you ask matters. Rashida?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this one is AK 06-2021. Appearances.
Thankfully, sir.
Emmanuel Oladele.
Yes. My name is Rashida Takirinde, sir. My humble appearance is for the judgment creditor, sir.
For the judgment creditor.
Respondent.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Respondent.
Respectfully, my lord, I appear for the judgment debtor applicants. I am Professor O.J. Gegelola. I am appearing. Yes, sir.
Yes.
My lord, there is a motion dated the 5th day of November 2021 in this case.
5th
day of November 2021 and filed on the 8th. Filed on the 8th day of November.
Seeking
the leave of this honorable court, my lord, to pay the judgment debt sum of 2,554,702 naira 50 kobo. I repeat again, my lord, 2,554,000.
Let me see the motion for myself first. This one, if people didn't open a judgment file for it. Yes, 2,554,702.50.
Yes, my lord.
By how many installments?
By 13 installments.
13
installments of 200,000 naira per month. But now, my lord, we are making it 6 installment. We are making a 6 installment of 500,000 naira, my lord. We are making it on 6 installment of 500,000 naira monthly, my lord, with effect from the end of August 2022. With effect from the end of August 2022. I seek to move, my lord.
500,000 naira times 6 will give us 3 million naira.
Yes, my
Isn't
lord.
it?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Rashidat?
Yes, my lord. We are not opposing the motion, sir. However, I want to humbly pray the court that the judgment sum, together with the accrued interest,
Yes.
should be paid in 3 installments, sir. And the payment should actually begin by end of July. That August to us is too far. This is judgment that has been given since October last year too.
Yes.
The payment should actually begin end of July, sir, not end of August as proposed. Most obliged, sir.
Okay. The application for installmental payment is granted in terms of 5 installments of 600,000 naira from end of August. Failure to pay any installment, the outstanding sum shall be liable to execution.
As the court places.
As the court places.
Thank you.
Thank you.
End of August.
AK 60 2020. Mrs. Samotu Afola Shade Rukiat. Yes, appearances.
Respectfully, my name is Rashidat Akinrinde, sir. My humble appearance is for the judgment creditor respondent, sir.
Yes.
Respectfully, my lord, I appear for the defendants, applicants, judgment debtor applicants, my lord. I am Professor O.J. Jejelola.
Yes.
My lord, we have a motion dated the 5th day of November 2021 in this case.
Fifth day of November 2021. And filed the same day.
Filed the same day.
Seeking for
the leave of this honorable court, my lord, to pay the judgment debt sum of 1,626,905 naira 29 kobo. 1,626,991.29. 1,626,991.29. By 11 installments, my lord, of 150,000 naira only per month. But now, my lord, we want to pay it by 3 installments. 3 installments of 542,330 naira. 542,330 naira 43 kobo. 542,330.43. 542,330.43. Beginning from the end of August, my lord, 2022.
Yes, Rashida. Okay, you move in terms.
I move in terms, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
My lord.
Yes.
We are not opposing the motion, sir.
Thank you.
However, sir,
yes.
I'll be humbly praying the court, for an order that the judgment sum, together with the accrued interest, be paid in 2 installments.
Thank you.
And that the payment should begin by July ending. Most obliged, sir.
The application is granted as spread in terms of 3 instrumental payments from August ending. Failure to pay any month renders the outstanding sum liable to execution.
As the court places. We are very much grateful, my lord.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My lord, sorry, my lord. Is it from July ending, my lord?
August.
August. Thank you, my lord.
Yes. Yes, this one is case 2020. Dr. Mrs. Adeboye Adedayo Olubunmi. Appearance.
Respectfully, sir. Rashida Akinrinde. My appearance is for the judgment creditor respondent, sir.
Thank you.
We do refer to the Honorable Court, sir. Professor O.J. Jagalola. Appearing for the defendant judgment debtors applicants.
Yes.
And Lord, there is a motion dated the 12th day of April, 2021 in this case. Dated the 12th day of April, 2021.
On file.
On file, my lord, on the 18th day of May, 2021, my lord. 18th day of May, seeking the leave of the Honorable Court to pay the judgment debt sum of 3,033,000.
How many thousand?
33,126 naira 22 kobo. 3,033,126 naira 22 kobo, my
By
lord.
how many installments?
By 18 installments of 100, by 18 installments of 170,000 naira.
Yes.
But now, my lord,
yes,
by 5 installments, my lord, of 600,000 naira, sir, with interest.
from
the end of August 2022, my lord. I so move, my lord.
Rashidat.
My lord, sir. We are
5
not
installments of 600,000 gives us 3 million.
Yes, my lord.
But the judgment itself is more than 500. Is more than 3 million. And then
yes, I know, my which. So I said with accrued interest. I mentioned, my lord, that with accrued interest.
Okay. So it may not
yes,
be
sir.
5.
In
it may be 600,000 per month until dated with interest.
With interest, yes, my lord.
Yes, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
My lord, sir.
Yes.
We are not opposing the motion.
Yes.
However, sir, we will humbly be praying your lordship to order that the judgment sum with accrued interest be paid in 3 installments, sir, beginning from end of July. Considering the fact that this judgment has been delivered since March 2021, sir, over a year ago, sir.
Yes. But I see that you remember that at the last adjourned date,
yes, sir,
almost all the matters that came up at the last adjourned date were like up to 6 or so as well. We
yes,
said the payment will begin from end of July, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we want this one to be the end of July. They have money. They have money. They have enough money.
That this next set should start from August. The problem is this.
They have the capacity to pay this fund, even at once.
If they are paying all those ones and paying this one,
if you are considering that this payment should be made in installments, then it should also begin sooner, sir, because our client has been waiting since last year to enjoy the fruits of this judgment. To enjoy the fruit of this judgment.
I don't know for them. If they had been paying according to their this thing,
that's the point you are making.
They would have finished paying before we are even taking this motion. Actually,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
But the thing is that we still have to be. I don't know what
your lordship still have to be considerate with us, sir. And all the money we are paying it to them, to their
My Lord,
clients.
you have been more than considerate, sir. That is why we're considering to do payment by installment. You have capacity to pay this judgment sum at once.
We don't have
you
it.
Have
we don't have it. We don't have it.
Rashidat.
Yes, sir.
You are really a
Yes,
trainee under Aborishade. You are doing well.
Thank you,
sir.
As far as our principal is concerned, she's doing well, learning very well.
As a practices.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So tell Aborishade that I commended you, that you are learning from him.
As a practices.
Yes. Or don't you agree, Prof?
I agree, my Lord.
Yes.
But he felt he did not agree with what we are proposing to pay.
I agree.
I thought you would agree with that because it's a whopping sum.
This is a judgment that has been given since last year, sir. Over a year ago. Over a year ago. So if you have been paying, even as you stated in your motion paper here, you will have almost even liquidated the sum with interest, but you are not paying.
But if you have not been filing counter affidavit upon counter affidavit, this motion will have been dealt with long time ago, and your money will by now have been completely paid. You know,
now we did not file any counter. We did not file counter on this one, and still you are not paying.
Prof, how about Prof Rashida? You know that you are online, or you people are online.
Sorry, my Lord. Sorry,
Other
my
people
Lord.
are watching and listening.
Sir, yes.
Sorry, my Lord.
And you know that's not how we do things. I'm writing my ruling, and you people are arguing.
I'm sorry, my Lord.
Thank you very much.
Very sorry, sir.
Thank you. The application is granted in terms of 600,000 naira per month till liquidated with interest beginning from August. Failure to pay any month will render the remaining sum left execution.
As the corporates.
Oh God. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, my Lord.
Yes, sir. The last one now.
As the corporates.
This one is NK03 2021. Right. Miss Ajifowowe Adijat Boxede.
Respectfully, my Lord, sir. Rashidat Akinrinde. My humble appearance is for the judgment creditor respondent, sir.
Yes.
With due respect, my Lord, I appear for the judgment debtors applicants, my Lord, and Professor O.J. Jejelola.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, there is a motion dated the 10th day of June, 2021 in this case, and filed on the 15th day of June, 2021.
Yes.
And my Lord, the motion is seeking for the leave of the Honorable Court to pay the judgment debt sum of 361,928 naira 53 kobo.
How much?
361,938.53 by 3 installments, my Lord, by which we are now changing, my Lord, to to one installment, sir.
Hey,
Give us
you
till
see,
the end
Rashida
of,
is laughing.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. To give us till the end of August, sir, to pay it at once. To pay it at once, sir. Yes, sir. We so move, my lord.
Pray to pay all
Yes, sir.
at end
End
of
of
August.
2022. Yes, sir.
That
My Lord, sir.
don't say that we should ask him to pay you in July.
My Lord, sir, we are not opposed, sir.
In July.
But however, considering the amount involved, sir, this amount is just too small.
It's not good.
That is why he said he will pay now at once.
Since May 2021, sir. One installment, but the payment, my Lord, I want to humbly pray this honorable court that this payment should be made July ending, not August, sir. Not August. The judgment with accrued interest, sir, with accrued interest should be paid by July ending. This judgment has been delivered since May 2021. Over a year, waiting for 361,000 naira, my Lord. Most obliged, sir. The judgment sum should be paid at once and should be paid by July ending, together with the accrued interest, sir.
Application granted as prayed. The judgment sum and accrued interest to be paid by August ending.
As the court places. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
As the court, thank you, my Lord.
Yes, and I think that is all for today's Zoom meeting.
Yes, sir. No, we still have 4 other cases. No, not
you
today.
have other ones coming up another day.
Another day, not today, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
All right, so I wish people a happy weekend.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you very much, sir.
We wish you the same, sir.
Thank you. My Lord, sir. My Lord.
Yes,
my Lord, sir.
Yes.
My Lord, sir. Before failure to pay this 361 by August ending. Failure to pay, sir. You did not include it, sir. Failure to pay by August ending.
I did not include it. I did not include it, but it goes without saying.
As they
it goes without saying. Is that understood, Rashidat?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
It goes without saying. Once they
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It has been liable for execution all the while. They have only say, okay, between now and August ending, don't execute. That's just the essence of their application. Between now and August, don't execute, we will pay. That's the essence. So if they don't pay by the ending of August, it is liable to execution. That one goes with that. Thank you. All right.
Sir.
All right.
Great.
We are
great.
Yes, sir.
We are very grateful.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can go and be with your students. Okay, you are on strike.
Thank you very much. We are very grateful, sir.
You are on strike, right?
No, this is a private university.
So you can go and be with your students.
Yes,
now.
sir. I will have a lecture at 12. I will mix up my lecture at 12. Thank you.
I will leave now.
Thank you, sir. We are grateful, sir.